Hello everyone! So for today, we have this lovely and gorgeous patient from the Philippines, Miss Gladys.
Hi.
So today we are here now in Vietnam, in Ho Chi Minh, together with our doctor. Kanina pinakita natin siya sa live, which is Dr. Phi, who will be the one leading the surgery for this patient for her facial contouring surgery. And together with the head, which is Doc Lucas for the nose. Ayan, siya ang madalas yung nakikita sa mga vlogs na gumagawa ng revision rhinoplasties for our patients here in Vietnam. And for today, Miss Gladys, how do you feel?
Sobrang panatag yung loob ko sa'yo,
Yes.
Miss Cha.
Thank you so much.
Walang kabang-kaba.
Thank you so much, ma'am. So, napag-alaman natin kanina na yung gumawa nga talaga ng surgery ko ay hindi si kasi, doon sa mga posting nila online, it's really stressful and a lot of Filipino customers and Filipino patients are expecting na si talaga ang gumagawa. But now, we had a conversation with another doctor na isa sa mga gumagawa dito sa Ho Chi Minh na na-found out na talaga namin kasi may connection sila sa hospital na hindi naman talaga siya. So, I'm really, really sorry for those patients na dumiretso at nagpagawa na hindi nyo talaga alam kung sino ang gumawa sa inyo. Whether it's successful or not, hopefully next time, katulad ng mga nababasa nyo online, mag-iingat po tayo. Ano po ba mong magiging comment mo? Kasi bago ka nagpabuksa, nung nakapagpabuka sa akin, nakapagpa-reserve ka, nabasa mo at nakita mo yung pumutok na issue. How do you feel about it?
Actually, hindi ako naniwala eh. Mas naniwala pa rin ako sa'yo eh. Kasi ikaw yung nakakausap ko. Sa'yo nang gagaling lahat ng mga details. So, hinahayaan ko lang sila kasi mas tiwala ako sa'yo, Miss Cha.
Thank you so much. At nakilala niyo ako that I talk about my experiences and also the surgeries that I had in these doctors. And there are filtered experiences that I chose not to share because of course I want also to protect the doctors, which however they react violently. These doctors who've been posting us online are not connected with us, but however ngayon talagang it's uncontrollable and people will just judge and what they see yun na yun. However tayo, it's not just on how or what we see, but we share kung ano yung na-experience natin because we are the first hand na nakaka-experience. At today, may experience mo na yan.
Yes.
Oo. So ngayon, sabi ni Doc Phi, he can give 80% result ng ina-expect natin. So this is the peg face na susubukan nating ipakita sa pasyente na pwede nating ma-achieve itong face na to sa face niya. Ngayon, as you can see, her cheekbones are a little bit high and for this face, she will look much younger and much feminine yung register ng face mo sa camera. A few hours na magsisimula na yung surgery natin, so you don't have to be nervous or anything. Alam ko na hindi ka kinakabahan.
Hindi talaga.
Pero baka kasi mamaya pag humiga ka dun ka na
Kabahan?
Oo, kabahan. Hindi naman. Alright. So ayan, maraming salamat at marami pa kayong aabangan sa ating mga pasyente, mga transformations with our doctors, with our beautiful and handsome doctors here in Vietnam. Thank you so much for trusting Miss Jack. Sabay-sabay tayong gumanda at maging masaya sa buhay natin. Once again, maraming salamat and thank you guys.
Thank you, Miss Jack.
Bye-bye.